Should you go for a master's degree on Coursera for cybersecurity? Or is it just another online credential that won't move your career forward? In this video, I'll explain who it's actually worth it for, what to expect, and how to decide fast without wasting money or time. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer. If you plan to take multiple courses and earn certificates, that can be one of the cheapest legit options. A cybersecurity master's can be a smart move if you want a structured path and you're serious about switching into the field long term. It helps you build credibility, learn the fundamentals properly, and show employers you can complete a full program, not just random short courses. It's also useful if you already have an IT background and want to move into roles like security analyst, SOC, cloud security, or governance. But here's the truth. If you're expecting a master's degree alone to instantly get you hired, you might be disappointed. Cybersecurity employers care most about hands-on skills, real labs, real tools, and proof you can solve problems. Without practicing networking, Linux, logs, incident response, and basic scripting, you can finish the program and still feel stuck. The smartest way to use a cybersecurity master's is to treat it as the roadmap, but let your real progress come from practice. Build small lab projects, document what you learn, and focus on one skill at a time until you can explain it clearly. That's how you become job ready, not just certificate ready. If you want to explore cybersecurity programs on Coursera and check the official pricing in your country, I'll put my link in the description. And again, Coursera Plus Annual is discounted to $80 for a limited time if you want to complete multiple courses and earn certificates faster. Thanks for watching.